Hello and welcome. First of all, congratulations sa bago mong role as a club officer of the ICCT Chess Club. Ang goal ko sa pagbuo ng chess club is to help our members play for a win on and off the board. And of course, sino pa bang tao ang mas qualified para i-prepare ka sa bago mong role kundi yung bumuo ng club natin? So, a short introduction about me. I am Matthew. I am the founder of ICCT Chess Club and currently the club president of batch 2024 to 2025 at the time of this recording. As you can see here, marami na akong naging leadership experience from non-profit organizations, international remote teams, and Supreme Student Council. Ilan lang yan sa mga naging achievements ko so far. In short, hindi na bago yung ganito sa akin. Of course, marami rin akong naging ups and downs as a leader, pero despite the failure, natutunan ko na mistakes is part of success. Kung i-differentiate ko yung sarili ko sa ibang mga club officers natin dito sa campus, I would say na marami na akong nagawang mali in the past. So, alam ko na kung ano yung mga hindi ko dapat gawin as a club officer. And i-share ko siya sa inyo along our onboarding journey para hindi nyo na siya ulitin. In terms of my chess career, hindi ako yung pinakamalakas dito sa club. Pero marami na rin ako napanalo na tournament in the past. For coaching naman, ako yung naging training coordinator ng Cainta Senior High School and Team Rizal sa katapos lang na palarong pabansa. And yung mga experience na nakuha ko behind the scenes is in-adapt ko lang papunta sa master plan ng club natin para ma-achieve din natin yung same quality of experience na ginagawa ng isang professional chess club. In addition to that, lahat ng club strategy and operations na makikita nyo dito sa officers is ginawa ko in collaboration with FIDE Master Hans. Siya yung team captain ng FEU Chess Tamaraws currently and isa siya sa mga club member ko before. For starters, isa lang yung chess team nila sa mga dominating force sa UAAP. Basically, yung proseso natin sa club is inadapt lang natin sa team nila and then tinailor siya based sa specific needs natin. Kaya makasigurado talaga kayo na high quality lahat ng sistema natin dito sa club and aprobado ng malakas na player. If curious kayo kung ba't kailangan pa natin pahirapan yung mga sarili natin para i-onboard kayo, alalahanin niyo guys na hindi ginawa ang Rome ng isang araw lang. If gusto natin mag-succeed as an organization, we need to move slow to go fast. So, isipin mo lang na parang investment yung magiging training natin ngayon. Medyo hassle lang siya sa una, pero in the long run, mas marami kang time na matitipid dahil mas efficient ka na as a club officer and synchronized na tayo as a team. So, may 7 goals tayo for this program. Number 1 is yung mabalance mo, yung time mo between sa personal and club commitments mo. Number 2 is to create a shared language para nasa isang page lang tayo. Number 3 is i-align lahat ng club officers sa kung ano ba yung endgame natin or ano ba yung gustong ma-achieve natin as a club. Number 4 is magkaroon ka ng clarity sa kung paano ba tumatakbo yung club natin as a whole. Ito yung pinaka-importante na part kasi majority of your duty as a club officer is yung i-communicate yung what, how, and why ng club natin. Number 5 is i-kickstart yung operations ng club natin. That's common sense. Number 6 is gawing realidad yung mga plano natin. Ang issue naman, lagi, pag may mga plano is hindi execution. Participation. And I expect na you'll participate sa mga initiatives ng club natin as part of your commitment as an officer. Number 7 is maging agile yung team natin. Most of the times, hindi tutugma yung plano natin sa totoong realidad. And malaga na resilient yung team natin sa mga changes. And to help you out sa onboarding journey natin, bibigyan kita ng 3 tips para maging effective yung training na to. The first one is to schedule your training. If hindi mo to i-schedule, hindi mo to matatapos. Dinesign ko tong program na to para matapos mo siya within an hour or less. So, pwede mo siyang tapusin sa isang takbuhan lang if afford ng time mo. Pwede mo ring i-take yung training natin at your own pace as long as na hindi ka lalampas sa schedule. Huwag nyo rin kakalimutan na i-mark as done yung mga lessons na tatapos nyo na. The next one is i-take yung training na to in order. Yung mga bagong lessons kasi is nagbi-build upan sa previous concepts ng mga naunang lessons. And the last one is to comment down your concerns if may questions kayo about sa topic natin para masagot ko. So, To wrap up our first lesson of this program, may ibibigay akong dalawang action items sa inyo. The first one is to introduce yourself in the introductions forums. And the second one is to define your work style. Nasa baba ng video na to, yung instruction kung paano nyo siya gagawin. So, tignan nyo na lang. Dito optional na gawain officers. Lahat tayo gagawin nito. Kasama ako doon. So, gawin nyo na yan ngayon and see you on the next lesson.